This video was generated with a single click. I know that sounds crazy, but with the power of AI, you can actually do that. You don't need to go through all the headache of actually making the video. You simply just click a button, and this AI tool does everything for you. It generates the questions and makes the entire video, including text, images, sound effects, background music, percentages, timer, and everything. So how can you make that? Before moving to the video, subscribe to Think AI so you can keep getting more AI-related tips, and visit Think AI to learn even more valuable things. Before going into that, we need to first understand how you can find controversial questions that will help your video go viral. The tool will generate random questions for you, but to maximize your chances of going viral, you need questions that trigger the audience. So, to find those questions, you need to first look for a proof of concept. But what does that mean exactly? The questions you want to use should have gone viral in the past, but not just once. You need to be able to identify patterns. Let's say, for example, a question about what would you rather concerning juices got 10 million views on one channel and 5 million on 2 other channels. That's a viral idea. However, if the video got 10 million views on only one channel but failed in others, that's not a viral idea. So don't base your ideas on only one outlier, but on multiple ones. Now, the question is, where should you upload this video? The obvious answer is YouTube, but TikTok might also be a viable option. People earn great money from the TikTok creativity program, and it might be a very good bonus on top of the YouTube money. However, the sad thing is, if you are outside the big countries, now that you have your account ready, let's generate the video. Click on the first link in the description. After that, select the new feature to generate Would You Rather videos. Here you can either import the questions if you already have them in mind. You can do that by uploading a file or just pasting the questions in this box. If not, you can just click on Generate Questions. By doing that, the tool will generate random questions to use in your video. But the best part is that this is 100% customizable. You can change whatever question you don't like, and I actually recommend doing that and finding more controversial questions to use so you stand out from the competition. You can also change the percentages if you'd like to. Now I'm just going to delete some questions because the video will be too long. You can also add more questions if you'd like to. When you are done, click on the Continue button to move forward, and that's it. Your video is ready. Let's see how this looks. Here you can customize the video. You can change everything in the video. Let's start with the text settings. You can change the font here to a lot of different fonts. You can also add stroke and shadow and change the colors here. You can change the settings of the result text, which is the percentage shown at the end of the video. For the layout, you can use different colors if you want to be different from the competition. Next, you can turn off any sound effect you don't want. Now, if you click on Content, you can change the questions and the images. You can do that by clicking on Change and uploading the image you want. Now, if you go to Music, you can choose or upload the background music, and you can also customize the volume. Next, select Tools to add your logo if you want to protect your video and add more originality. When you are done, click on the Download button. And when the video finishes rendering, click on Download Video. Now let's watch the full video together. Live in extreme hot or live in extreme cold. Eat only spicy food or eat only bland food. Be always late or be always early. Lose sense of taste or lose sense of smell. Never use a phone or never use a computer. Have no internet or have no heating? Always be thirsty or always be tired? Wear smelly clothes or have bad breath? And just like that, the video is ready to be uploaded to any social media platform you like. I suggest uploading it to YouTube Shorts and TikTok at the same time. Let me tell you how to upload it effectively to TikTok. You need to pick a recommended song and set its volume to 0 so no one can hear it. This helps your video get more attention. Also, make sure to add 3 related hashtags. This approach will make your video get more attention, especially if it has controversial questions. Now that was it for this video. Make sure to click the subscribe, the Think AI, and watch the next video if interested. Thank you, see you.